With AlgoDesk, you're free to choose where you want to plot your drawing objects, and which is not a problem. As we know, in some platforms, you can either draw on this part of the chart or this part of the chart. You got to choose your pane, and all your drawing objects will go there, right? With AlgoDesk, what we made is basically when you use your draw arrow or whatever method, you actually pass the pane, okay, that you want to draw on into this object, so it knows if you have 5 panes there, it knows exactly which pane to draw itself on. So this makes it quite flexible. So as you can see now, I'm drawing on the ADX panel. Okay, I can add another ADX or whatever, and I can draw on that panel, on this panel, or on the price. It doesn't matter. It's not set globally. It's actually set particularly, but in particular